Good morning children. 6th standard. We'll continue the lesson. That is term 3, booklet term 3, civics. Civics side la lesson la unit 2, local bodies, rural and urban. That lesson in the previous class I taught you about the corporation, municipality, then town panchayat, village panchayat, everything. And today we are going to see about the Panchayat Raj. The system of Panchayat Raj Day, eppan keta, that is April 24. It is considered as the Panchayat Raj Day. Here, the special features of Panchayat Raj, ennalla features, what are the thing, abdina, Grama Sabha conduct pandrathu, then 3-tier local body governance, then reservations, Panchayat elections, tenure, finance commission, account and audit, etc. So these were the special features of Panchayat Raj. Okay, and these are all enga idella nama pesrangan paathom in the introduction of the lesson la I told you. Yeah, very good. In Nandini's house, her father only explained all these to the children. Understand? Again, the children, they were very happy. They felt very happy. And they said, okay, uncle, thank you so much, they said. And again, we'll continue that lesson. That is women in the local self-government. Women oda position enna, abdin we'll see. Actually, all local bodies have the reservation of 33% for women. Evla percent kuduthirukanga? 33%. And in the year 2011 la, they increase the level into 38% women. Understand? 38% seats vandu women win pannanga. As per Tamil Nadu Panchayat Amendment Act, changes according to in that is 2016, the 50% reservation for women, it has given to women because of this Panchayat Raj. Understand? And now local body election, we'll see about the local body election எப்படி நடக்குதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். The tenure of the local self-government is 5 years. So 5 years ku avanga work பண்ணுவாங்க. 5 years once they'll conduct the election. And by the this election will be conducted by the State Election Commission. See all of you, State Election Commission. And every state they'll have the State Election Commission. In Tamil Nadu also we have the State Election Commission. Enga irukku Tamil Nadu la Coimbatore. In Coimbatore we have the State Election Commission. That is in Chennai. Understand? Chennai la irukku. Okay children. So these are all about this lesson. Rural, that is local body, rural and urban. This lesson is over. Now I'll give you the answers for this lesson. All take out your class work then. Take out your class work. I'll give you the answers for this lesson, children. We'll start from choose a correct answer. You just have your book. Along with your book textbook, you must have your classwork also. Understand? Whatever I'm writing it on the board, you have to copy it down in your classwork notebook. First one, choose the correct answer. Roman letter 1. Choose. Dash is set up with several village panchayats. That is 4 options. Among them, the correct option is A, Panchayat Union. Second one. Dash is National Panchayat Raj Day. That is, already I told you la, Miss Board எழுதி போட்டேன் பாத்தீங்களா? April, very good ma. April 24. The answer is D. The option is D. April 24. Panchayat Raj Day. Then third one. Dash, the oldest urban local body in India is Chennai. இது கூட மிஸ் உங்களுக்கு சொன்ன B. B is the correct option. That is Chennai. Fourth one. The head of the corporation is called as என்ன? Head of the corporation யாருன்னு சொன்ன? Very good ma. Yeah, somebody is saying mayor. The correct option is A. Mayor. The next one, fill in the blanks. That is Roman letter 2. Fill in. First one. Dash is the first state in India to introduce town panchayat. In the state. Yeah, our state only, Tamil Nadu. Then second one, the Panchayat Raj Act was enacted in the year 1992. Third one, the tenure of the local body representatives is dash years. இப்போதா மிஸ் சொன்னல 5 years. 5 years. Fourth one. Dash is the first municipality in Tamil Nadu. Valajapet. Valajapet. Valajapet municipality. Then Roman letter 3. Match the following. Grama Sabha. Second one, Panchayat Union. Third one, Town Panchayat. And fourth one, local body election. The correct answers are, first one, Grama Sabha permanent unit. Second one, block development officer. Third one, executive officer. Fourth one, State Election Commission. Then Roman letter 4. Answer the following. First one answer. Is there any corporation in your district? Name it. சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். In which district we are in? Yeah, we are in Chennai district. Chennai corporation. La Chennai district. நம்மளுக்குள்ள கார்ப்பரேஷன் இருக்கா இல்லையா? Yes, we have Chennai corporation. So, yes, we have. Is there any corporation in your district? Yes. Name of the corporation? Chennai corporation. Okay. So, answer is yes, Chennai corporation. You don't have second, third and fourth. Fifth one. Omission for you. Some content உங்களுக்கு government omit பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம்ல. That is 2, 3 and 4. Then fifth one. Who are the representatives elected in the village panchayat? It is in page number 205. All of you take page number 205. Here, below this picture, here you have the elected representative, Panchayat President, Ward Members, Councillor, District Panchayat Ward Councillor. Yunga 4. Understand? This is the fifth answer. Then, next one. List out the few functions of corporation. It is in page number 206. 206. Take page number 206. Here, the functions of the city municipal corporation. The functions kuthirukangalla. Drinking water supply, street lighting, அதெல்லாம் ஃபுல்லாக எழுதிட்டு இது வரைக்கும் birth and death registration etc. Birth and death registration etc. Till that you have. Okay ma? This is sixth one. Then seventh one is omission for you. Eighth one. Eighth one. It is in page number 207. Take page number 207. Here. When are the Grama Sabha meeting? பார்த்தோம்ல the 4 days மிஸ் எழுதி போட்டோம் போர்டில் January 26, May 1st, August 15 and October 2nd. இது வந்து A point. 2 points நீங்கள் எழுதணும். Because they asked 2 questions. When are Grama Sabha meetings convened? Adukku in the answer, in the 4 days. Understand? What are the special on those days? And the days la enna special? Abdin ketta before that, adha I told you. The people can, adukku mela irka paragraph la last 2 lines. The people can freely express their needs and grievances. This is second point. First point என்னென்ன டேஸ்ன்னு எழுதணும். Second point is this. The next one. Ninth one. Ninth one. It is also in page number 207. I'll read out the question. Ninth one. What are the special features of Panchayat Raj system? It is in page number 207. 207. Here, the special features of Panchayat Raj. Can you see ma? Grama Sabha, 3-tier local body governance, reservations, Panchayat elections, tenure, finance commission, account and audit, etc. So, this is the 9th one. And 10th one is omission for you. Okay, 10th one ungalku illa. So, the lesson is over. I gave you the answers which all in the book. That is apart from the omission இல்லாமல் வேறு என்ன இருக்கோ அது உங்களுக்குலாம் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். So this lesson, that is term 3 in civics lesson, unit 2, local bodies and that is rural and urban. In this what are all we saw? Corporation, municipality, town panchayat, district panchayat, village panchayat, எல்லாமே நம்ம I taught you, understand, in the previous class. அப்புறம் இந்த கிளாஸில் டவுன் பஞ்சாயத் ராஜ் அதை பற்றி பார்த்தோம். ஸோ these are all about the answers, book back answers. Some short answerல மட்டும்தான் in choose the correct answer you have fully this எல்லாமே நீங்கள் படிக்கணும் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். Then fill in the blanks also 4 you have. I gave you the answers 4 and match the following you have 4. இது எல்லாமே நீங்கள் எல்லாம் படிக்கணும். Okay, only in short answers there are 10 short answers. So அதில் omissionலாம் இருக்கிறதுனால first one is you have 2, 3, 4, that is omission. Fifth is short answer is here. Sixth one is here. Seventh one is omission for you. Seventh one கிடையாது. Then eighth short answer இங்கே இருக்கு. Then ninth short answer I gave you. 10th short answer is omission for you. So among 10 short answers you have to learn only 5. That is 1, 5, 6, 8, 9. இது மட்டும் நீங்கள் படித்தா போதும். Okay children, so this lesson is over. In the next class I'll take geography lesson. Okay ma, until then take care of your health. Thank you. Bye.